Saturday soup is bubbling and mom calls you to go buy the key ingredient.
Come, go on Mr. Chin. Hold it good. Go get 1 pack of the cock soup. And look here, go straight and come back, because the pot is almost ready. Yes, mommy.
On your way, you decide to stop at the park for 5 little minutes.
It's my turn. No, it's my turn. My mother and your mother were washing some clothes. My mother thumped your mother in her big fat nose. Hey, digga, digga, the cat can the figure.
Oh, how 2 hours flies fast when you're having fun.
What time now? It's 4 o'clock.
Now, you're late.
Mr. Chin, send one I cock so fast.
And to make matters worse, you lost the money. Daag Nyam Yu Soppa.
Alright, students, so remember, you have to go through everything that we went through today. Those are what will be coming on your exam tomorrow, okay? And remember, guys, this exam counts towards 40% of your final grade. Oh, that's a bell. Alright, okay, guys. Alright, remember, study.
Later at home,
Can't better with that boring teacher there now. Sure, more study. Sure, me have to go study hard now because feeling last 2 tests them. Sure.
Daag Nyam Yu Soppa.
Yes, thank you, my dear. I feel 10 years younger. I feel so the one Winston are planning something, because he has been so elusive for the whole day. Me can't hear nothing from him. Yes, so I actually go and pack up as me I talk to you, because me try to hurry up for go home. Yeah, so we can still walk one. I'm so excited for birthday. Yes, my dear. Alright, well, me talk to you tomorrow. Me make you know how it go. Yes, at so we say at. You don't know. Woman, I know
You barely made it through the door and he already pounced on you.
No longer they are dead for hungry. What? Come on, go sit
His
on the pot
attitude
fast.
already has you rattled.
What day is today? No, Thursday.
Then to make matters worse, he forgot
What?
your birthday.
What?
Yeah.
Supper.